what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speed and my heart is racing.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to say thank you to those who support me. Thank you to those who have been watching my videos and subscribing, sharing, and all of that good stuff. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, you can hit the bell. But today's video is going to be on this hair, okay? Yes, honey, yes, this hair. This hair is actually like it's way past. I would say I've had this hair in for about a month. Yeah, I would say I had this hair in for about a month, and this is what it looks like. The hair is called the FREETRESS braid, the one curl collection. And it's the fluffy one curl. So this is what it looks like. I actually have 5 bags in. I just did my normal regular schmegular braiding pattern, crisscross to the back, and I put 5 bags of hair in. And this little side over here, this is the bag itself. But I wanted to do something different. Y'all know I'm not really a big fan of like black hair. Like, I gotta have some type of color coordinated or involved in somewhere, okay, in my life, all right? But this is what I came up with. At first the curls were like super duper tight and I did not like it. It just looked a little too uniform for me. So what I did was take it out so you guys can see it. So this is called the fluffy one curl, and this is what it looks like. So pretty, right? Really pretty. But I felt like it looked a little bit too uniform, and you guys know I love for my hair to look natural as possible, okay? So what I did was I took a blow dryer and I just stretched the curls out. That way I could get a more elongated look and the curls aren't so tight. But overall I would rate this hair like a 9. And the reason why I say a 9 is because it tends to get a little frizzy, like a little napped up. And I've had other crochets like this, like similar to this, that did actually pretty good. Like, I think I kept those crochets in for almost 2 months. But they get a little nappy, and I go in from time to time and cut the little nappy pieces off. But I mean, that's the hassle. Like, you get crochets to wake up and go. You don't get crochets to, you know, inspect to see where you got little hair balls and stuff like that. Like, no, we don't want to do that, okay? We want to wake up and go. So yeah, overall, like I said, I'll rate this hair a 9. And you get a pretty decent amount in here per bag, and it's $9. Yeah, it's $9 a bag, and I brought this at my local beauty supply store. So I'm sure if you were to go online, you may find this hair even cheaper than $9 a bag. So yeah, I just really had to do a review on this hair. I know it's been a while since I did a review on any type of crochet hair, but I really fell in love with this look. So I just had to do a review on this hair for y'all. But yeah, it's going on a month basically to where I've had this hair, and I shaped it, you know, put my own little twist on it. But overall, I'm in love with this hair. The only problem, like I said, is that it gets a little nappy. So if they could just tweak that just a little bit, then this would be like my go-to, okay? Because I love big hair, and it's been a while since I did some crochets. You know, I've been on my little wig thing lately, so I wanted to do something that was kind of careless and, you know, I could just wake up and go. So that's kind of what I was going for with this look. And yeah, like I just said, it was 5 bags. I put 5 bags in my hair. You don't have to do 5 bags. I just like my hair really full, so you don't have to choose 5 bags. But yeah, I just had to give you guys a review on this hair because I fell in love with how it looked on me. Yeah, I might start doing these a little bit more often with crochets. But yeah, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, okay, follow your girl on Instagram. All right, your girl is popping on Instagram. Twitter as well. You can follow me on Twitter. Let me know if y'all want me to follow y'all back. Usually I do follow back. If I have not followed you back, just inbox me or DM me or whatever you feel like it's necessary. I will follow you back, okay? But thank you guys so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.